Welcome back to Auntie Rosie's Kitchen. This video will teach you how to make Indian Idli, which is great to eat with sambar.
This is my idli cooker, and these are the little small pans in which I will put the batter and cook the idli. First I have to pour water and fill water all the way till here, and then we'll put everything to cook. So here is my idli cooker. I put water till there is you can buy this in the Indian store. Well, I brought it from India. And then we put the lid on it so it will help to boil faster. This is called the idli cooker. Why did they name idli? I have no idea, but that's what they call it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put my batter in the idli containers to make. It's first I have to apply some oil to it. You can use I use olive oil is the best thing. So I just use a little bit olive oil, and then you use your little fingers and you rub it inside. So the reason we put it in is so when the idli is done, it is easily able to be released from the container. Now, how much oil to put? You can use one teaspoon, and then just spread it on all the 6 or 7 of those little containers. I'm going to open the batter, and this is a fresh batter that I got it from the Indian store. What it is usually made of? It's made of rice, white rice, basmati rice, 1.5 cup. And half cup of urad dal. I just use my spoon and I'll mix the batter. It's just to make sure that everything is not too heavy on the bottom and light on the top. So you're trying to mix it. And once it's all mixed, then you pour it into each of these containers. Don't overfill it. Fill enough, like 3/4, and leave room for it to rise while it's cooking. And it's really good because it has no much of fat in it. It's just steamed, kind of a steamed bread. It's called steamed bread or dumpling with nothing inside it. See, my water is boiling in there, and I'm going to put one of the idli containers in it, the smaller one, and then I'm going to put the bigger one, and then I'm going to put this back. You might be thinking my hand's not hurting yet. How long should I cook the idli? You will see the steam coming out. It's approximately like 10 minutes. Not even, I mean, you see the steam coming, then, okay, I think my idli is done, seems like. How will I know? I can put a little fork in there and see if no, yeah, see, it's done. It's pushing up, so it's done. I'm going to turn it off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little thing and hold it and put it up here so it cools off. So how do I take the idli off? I just use the knife and it slips off. There's my idli. And see, another idli. Your knife should be clean on the other end, or else it will become hard to take it out. So.
That's how to make idli. Coming up next is vada, another item that's perfect with sambar.